Two things before we go. One is we have 2 minutes. We hope we can do this. We've seen successors turn against their predecessors in politics.
Yes, yeah.
Would you be worried if that happens to you?
Why? Is he serving me? Was he going to serve me? He was to serve the state. The problem we have, or leaders have, is that look, you succeeded in supporting the person to be in office, right? What you did is it for him to fail or to succeed. You want you to come into your house to be taking orders. You want your wife to go into time, do this is what I want to do, what. You see, once you have left office, you give yourself that respect. I say, I have done my own. If he wants my advice, it's okay. If he doesn't want my advice, it's okay. But for me to begin from day to day, telling him must do this, you must do that, that's not acceptable. That's why people fail. They get, oh, after I did this, see what I've done. Okay. It's one time to send me to jail. I don't like ingrates. I can't stand it. What is happening now is what if that fits very well in what Audley said in his book. Give a man power, money, is when you will know the person. If you have not given a man power, money, don't say you know the person.
Wike. The child that dances the surrogate dance should be reminded that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. When the child rises too early, the dew of life will soak him. Can you build and destroy at the same time? Who are the enemies of Nigerian democracy? As Nigerians watch what is unfolding in Rivers, they are knowing who the real enemies of Nigerian democracy are. And it seems as Ezewo, yes, on Wike may be number one. The Nigerian democracy. Is it democracy or democracy? Democracy. Which will it be? Get in the comment section. Let us know what you think. See something, say something, and do something. Nigeria. Wike. How many times did I call you? Until then, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch.